Video, I am bringing you an update on Pi Network Migration, update on Pi Network Mainnet Migration, and Pi Network account verification. A lot of things have been going on, and it seems as if the Pi Mainnet Migration and every other activity on Pi paused for about 1 week, and many pioneers have been worried. But today, the Pi Network Mainnet Migration has resumed today, and that is a good news for everyone. And the good news again is that migrations have now resumed and will gradually expand as more email-based two-factor authentications and system-level checks complete. Pi Network is committed to a smooth and secure transition according to them, and your patience is appreciated as account security is trending for everyone. Now, I need to let you know that the excuse or the reason that Pi Network gave for the delay or the pause in mainnet migration and account verification was that when people registered on the Pi Network, they used their phone number. And then when Pi want to verify the phone number, different countries have different dialing code, different codes, and this Pi is coming from one location. One location, that is where the Pi core team is located. That is where the headquarters of Pi is located. So based on this, the dialing code or the country code for Nigeria is different from country code from another country, different from that for America, and then these verifications codes are being sent by machines, not sent by individuals. They are automated. So when it is prompted, sometimes it can send a code or the code may not reach the person it ought to get to. And that is why they have stopped SMS text message verification because of this reason. Apart from this, they also have challenges and that the network is in a phase. So Pi Network said that it's in a phase, it is work in progress. They have not completed anything, everything is in progress. They encounter challenges and they overcome the challenges. So it's a phase with more reliable authenticity measures such as KYC and liveness checks. And they said it is time to shift from primarily or solely relying on phone numbers to using email-based two-factor authentication verification with the goal of eventually supporting advanced authentication methods like passkeys and biometrics. The email-based two-factor authentication verification not only address the above challenges but also improve security because of the two-factor aspect. And according to Pi, to get there, every user will first need to establish a trusted email on file. However, some users never added an email to their accounts or might have entered incorrect emails, lost access to their past emails, or shared emails with family members' Pi accounts. So what they're saying here is that they are giving people, the pioneers, another chance in case somebody registered, there was no email included, or another person registered and used email that they don't have access to again, or another person registered using email of somebody who is also a pioneer. So this liveness check give you the opportunity now to be able to change your email. So all these things they're doing to make good things easy for everyone. According to Pi core team, they say given that adding an email to a Pi account is not done at the time of account creation, and this is a major shift to account management and security. Pi had to check through additional analytics and analysis before allowing users to migrate. So this was what caused delay in the migrations. So migrate, that is how users added their trusted emails, how they verified their email addresses, and how they completed the two-factor authentication, and so on and so forth. And they said to ensure the integrity of these processes and the security of user accounts in some cases, further actions such as liveness check or additional SMS verification are needed. The required temporary phase in temporary pause, the required temporary pause in migration migrations until such systems level checks were made. So this is why there was a pause in the migration of the Pi. Many people have complained, oh, I want to migrate. Oh, my money, my Pi coin went back to unverified. This is the reason. They were trying to confirm and to check things because when they used phone number SMS, in some places it does not deliver. Some countries have regulations regarding SMS coming in to their country. They have country code. Some, when they registered on Pi, they did not include their country code in the messages. So based on this, there were hitches in sending messages to such individuals, and this delayed the verification. So Pi systematically started the two-factor authentication, which involves you putting your email address. Whether you have put in your email address before or you are newly putting your email address, it guarantees you the opportunity to be able to add an email at this time. So this is all what Pi has done, and today, 29th day of March 2025, the mainnet migration and account verification are completed and have resumed. So mainnet migration have resumed. So go and check your mainnet. If you want to migrate, if you want to do anything now, go and check and play around it and see how it goes. So there's no need to panic. Pi again is work in progress. I'm going to stop here, and I want you to ask your question in the comment section below. Already I have some questions here which I am taking from the Twitter page of Pi. Many people are asking questions about the migration. They're asking questions about the migration, and they are wondering what is happening and what is not happening. So everything we're looking up that something is still going to come out in the next few days, because Pi, I am sure, is going to bounce back, and all these that are happening currently is part and parcel of what makes Pi tick. There's no how Pi is going to be tick without some of the current happenings and shakings. So these shakings are expected to shake off the fake pioneers, while the real pioneers will stick with Pi until Pi is back and is ready to move and to keep moving. So migration have resumed, and you just need to continue. They said again on Twitter, on X, that the distribution of wallet will be loaded with Pi, then resume. Complete two-factor authentication by adding trusted email on profile, then confirm step 3 of checklist again. Mine daily, and you'll be added to the migration. So all these things are some of the things that when you mine daily, you'll be added to the migration queue, and everything is going to be fine. So let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think now that the Pi? Any question you have, just ask in the comment section and I'll be there to respond. So on this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. And this Pi network is a project that all of us and all hands must just get to make it to be a success. You and I are going to succeed, and we are going to make it to this Pi. I'm going to talk to you in the next video. Until then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. So go ahead and watch next one. Bye bye for now.